If your vehicle is not equipped with all-wheel drive, please see your owner's manual for drive mode information. In addition to standard mode, your vehicle is equipped with snow, eco, and sport modes. Standard is the default drive mode and will activate automatically when the ignition switch is placed in the on position. To switch modes, push the drive mode selector up or down. The selected mode is displayed here. Snow mode aids in driving on slippery surfaces. Eco mode increases fuel economy and provides smooth starting. Sport mode gives the driver a feeling of enhanced performance with increased steering response. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.